This time we want to find the particular solution to the differential equation dy over dx equals x squared minus 2x plus 3, given that y is equal to 4 when x is equal to 1. Before, we want to find the general solution. This time, we want to find the particular solution. So that means we still have to perform the same process. Dy over dx is x squared minus 2x plus 3. A variation of step, you can go straight integrating, and then just add the dx, so integral sign and the dx. When you integrate dy over dx, it becomes y. What is the integral of x squared? X cubed over 3, 2x squared over 2, may plus 3 ba to? Plus 3, and then plus 3x plus c. Okay? And then, in the general solution, this is already done. But we want a particular solution, meaning to say we want to find that specific c. How do we find that? What do you think should we do? Substitute. Y is 4 when x is 1. Means y is 4 when x is 1. So you can cancel 2 and 2. 1 squared plus 3 times 1 plus c. And all you have to do is to find that value of c. So 1 over 3 minus 1 plus 3 plus c equals 4. Okay, so there are different ways to simplify this. So you have negative 1 plus 3. This will become 2. And then you can isolate the c by having 4 minus 2 minus 1/3. Diba? May plus 2 kasi dyan. Plus 2 so minus 2. May positive 1/3 so minus 1/3. 4 minus 2 is 2. What is 2 minus 1 over 3? Meron kang dalawang... Yan. Tanggalin mo yung isa. Ilan na natira? 1 and 2/3, di ba? Pwede kayo mag-visual. 1 and 2/3 equals c. In proper fraction, this is 5 over 3 equals c. Yan na yung c. But do not end with that, because that is just part of the solution. What we want is to form, this is what we want, y is equal to x cubed over 3 minus x squared plus 3x, and the specific c is 5 over 3. This is the particular solution. Any question? So let us summarize. To get a solution, particular or general, we have to perform integration. If we want to find a general solution, we end with a plus c. If we want to find a particular solution, we use any additional information such as y is 4 when x is 1. By substitution, solving that equation will give us the c. In the end, go back and replace the c to complete the particular solution. Clear?